Hello all, my name is Pushpa and I am currently pursuing BTech 4th year with a specialization of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science in KITE Women's 4th year. So I am here to explain about our final year project which is meant by Fashion Recommender. And the main theme of our project is about the user has to enter the text or upload any image based on the given information. Uh, Directly he can click on the recommend button to get the images related to the information that the user has given. So the project can give the outfits faster and easier. And our problem statement is about, as we know, many online shoppers struggle to find the clothes which suits to their outfit. So that we take that as problem statement and we find this website to get the images faster and easier which fits to their outfits. And here we have used the flexible search and also AI recommendations so that based on the results, they can get the personalized results in an easier and faster way. And the challenge is about, as we know, many online shoppers struggle to get the best outfit, and also there are many endless choices in the shopping malls. There are many dresses related to different models, so that he can confuse which model can suit to their outfit. So that and also it is a time consuming process, and this is our challenge. And the key features in our website is about login. The user has to log in into the website, and also we can get the AI recommendations. We have used the wish list and also support system. The user here the support system is nothing but dedicated customer service to enhance styling journey. And the working of our project is about the user has to enter the text and also the based on the result the system can fetch us data from the backend using the SERP API, and then the images will be shown. Here in the front end we have used HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and also in the for connecting front end and back end we have used Flask. So here we use SERP API to fetch the images regarding the images and also text entered by the user. And here we used local storage to store the data. Now we can view the output of our project. Here firstly the user has to sign in into the account. So I have created the account and now I am logging into the website. So whenever we have entered the wrong password, it will pop up the message. And this is about page in our website. So here we have the steps to how to create the account and also how to discover our styles and also how to add the images to the wish list. Everything will be is there here. So here the first step is about creating the account, and also second step is login securely and discover your styles, and then you can add the images to the wish list, and we can manage the wish list, and also here we have included the contact page too. Here the user has to enter any text like uh, jeans, and then click on the get recommendations button. Here directly whatever the user has entered the text and click on the get recommendations button, the API can directly fetches this data will be going to the backend, and if the user entered the data like this, click on the get recommendations button, here directly the data will be going to the backend, and the images will be fetches from the SERP API key. Here the images are loading from the backend. So these are the data regarding the search results. So we can save the whatever the images that are related to the user, so that can be stored in the wish list. So we can get the pop-up message like added to the wish list. Whatever the images you are added to the wish list, that can be shown here. And also we can manage the data from the wish list, like removing the images from the wish list. Here we have the contact details, like if the user want to contact us so that they can send the data. And send that message, and we can get the pop-up message. So whatever the data the user send to the send it, that can be stored in the local storage in the folder. And this is the data that the user has sent it. And this is all about our website, like, and it is a simple way so that the user can find the best outfits, and then they can save the whatever they have liked the images, they can save, and that the saved images will be stored in the wish list. And thank you.